Good morning, guys. So my husband has officially finished my pantry. I'm so excited. Like, what? My pantry is done. I'll give you a little tour of it before I put things in it, and then I'm going to fill this baby up with my things. My baby is sleeping and my daughter is cleaning up her room, so I'm going to go as fast as I can to try to finish this before my baby wakes up, because it's just a lot easier. Why am I out of breath? It's just a lot easier to put your things away without, holding a baby. So I'm going to put it on time lapse and fill this baby up because I'm so excited for this. It's gonna be so cute, y'all. Let's get right into putting my things away. I'm so excited. And you guys, I do want to tell you, which I always forget to do this, I do want to tell you guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Marcia and welcome to my channel. I am a mommy of 2 and a wife to 1. So obviously, but if you guys like to watch vlogs of just like daily life and just random things, subscribe to my channel right down there. Hit that subscribe button. It is free for you and it would help me out a lot. So go ahead and do that, and I will just come along my little journey of life. So let's get started with my pantry. A little empty tour. He just put these built-in shelves in there. These 2 shelves here. Then he put my butcher block here and 2 shelves here. Now I'm gonna put my coffee machine in here because I don't like it out there. So I'm gonna have that in here, make it look all nice, but that's how she looks. I think it looks so good. So excited. But in the meantime, that looks so good. My kitchen looks like this, a total disaster. So we're gonna put all these things in there and make her look cute. Hi guys, it is a few days later. I'm currently sick. As you guys can hear me, I sound horrible and I'm sick as a dog. Yesterday I was so sick I couldn't do anything, and now today I'm feeling a little bit better. I can actually do some things, but I'm still sick and my voice is horrible. But I was editing my pantry video, my day in the life, and that day I did my pantry and I had forgot to show you guys the finished look of it. So I'm going to show you currently what she's looking like and everything. So just excuse the voice. I'm very sorry. Usually when I'm talking at home, I just whisper because it's actually harder for me to talk than it is to whisper. So I'm just gonna show you guys it all done, and sorry about my voice, but I hope you guys enjoy. So on the top, I just put things that I'll hardly ever use. Then I put my glass bowls on this shelf, some baking things and snacks, and this is my baking stuff as well, microwave snacks that my daughter can get except for those. And then here I just have my potatoes and onions, my canned stuff, like that canned stuff. And then I have my bags on the bottom, which I like to push them back so you don't notice them. Then I got my mop bucket, my husband's lunch box, his lunch thing, and then some beef tallow, all my canned goods, my cereal shelf, and then in the back, that's just empty containers, and I don't know what I'm going to put in there yet, but there's that. Then I have my little coffee station, my KitchenAid back there, and then my husband put these hooks here for my cups, and there we have my baking stuff and that pot in there. It's probably going to, I'm not like completely done with it because there's still a lot of room there, some room up there. Like I'm just letting it go, and then as I have things to put in there, I'm gonna put it in. But I just don't want to shove things in there and have it all full. So that's the little tour of it. I absolutely love it. Everything about it is just like so cute. I am so in love with it. And I also got 2 other new things that I want to show you guys. That is so exciting. My husband did this, and he's doing so much other like little things in the house that aren't done. Like our railings he did. There's a little cubby hole under the steps that needed doors. He did that. Then there's a shelf in the kitchen that I wanted for a while, and he put those up for me. I was so happy. And then like the railings, those were not there, and then those doors which are open, I'll close them so you guys can see, but I still have to paint them because they're just wood, and I gotta paint them. I'm not sure if I want to make them white or black, but those doors, and as you can tell, there's like all that stuff because I gotta paint still. And then the railings, which I'm obsessed with. I'm so excited about that. I was like, oh, babe, they look so good. And then with that, like it just cleans up all that messy look that was there. But it's gonna look better once I paint them for sure. But that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button because I'm sick and that would cheer me up.
No yielding is quick.
Great. Cute.
That's much more easier.
Great job. You do amazing. Okay, are you done?